Pachopa Midi Nyami Eshobia Esrobia Pacho. Among for people were saying a whole lot about the bout that we fought. They were saying I killed Bahubali, I used juju, like I poisoned him and a whole lot. But to be honest with you, I'm standing here and I swear to God, I'm a good Christian guy. I serve a good living God. There is no way I can go to juju or go and wake Bahubali to end his life like this. No. I have never ever gone to any juju or malam people, no, at all in my life. So when someone is saying that I've taken Bahubali to juju, I've poisoned him, I swear it's a lie. If you can see, why will I know someone physically, then killed him rather than someone that I don't know, that he has something that will change my whole life? But I left that person and I killed my own brother. I'm sorry. Papa. Because that guy was holding a belt that would change my whole life. I don't have that intention to even go to Malam to wake him and take the belt from him. Rather than a friend that I know. So I'm pleading you. Was it?
Any can children.
Me find a fair fight. You mojiete no ageshi ake inya chule chufa. Inkelete ya poisle. In feel any BP ni chuageshi. Mi to ni egbo. Yenu magbone ye. Ken wala shilem ken boxing. In fiano ni fio. In be mokoni in ye won po ake ewe kan mi ngela in be mugwano. I'm very innocent so. No money no. What do you want? After boxing, we are friends. Can't be not. No try she will enemies you. She not be fighting up. We were so nice. What basani one more. No mini as an man again attention. No matter what could be stofan. Bukuni ta flat che. Le we mami nkwela lo ku me nkwele. Ake wo se le we ba hinyale. Eke ya tule tufa ben gbele. Eke na mi. Mami panye fai. Mo fia mo ni yo no ko gbonyo ye. Jena kani nika jo akeshi tumu itu betene tufapo mini tufan mini mipo mini ke tufan ko tumu ike mu ko no na jablo chi na yin belt ni mo ntu le tufan ni maye edi ni ke feel life ni wo se yin mi ni we ke sani aya awon mo shimu mu fe ke mu ko ni lele ni kele gba asani ni aside box npu e nkele wo vibe ni wole wo gba ke ngbele. It can never be possible. So I'm pleading everyone that is watching me here. Whatever that you hear out is not truth. Thank you. And God bless you all.
Jacob Dixon.
Papa.
Padiki.
Misha.
That's it. Oh.
All right. He was here.
He was here. You were just here and he was here.
So easy.
Less than 2 weeks ago.
I'm telling you. 11 days.
11 days ago. God knows best. All right.